Struggling with poor heat distribution upstairs and downstairs? You are not alone, and there are some pretty straightforward ways to fix that without breaking the bank or completely overhauling your HVAC system. So, first off, think about installing a zoning system. It basically lets you control the temperature in different parts of your house independently, which is a game changer for uneven heating. If zoning sounds like too much hassle or expense right now, start by checking your dampers. These little gatekeepers inside your ductwork can be adjusted to balance airflow better between floors. Sometimes all it takes is tweaking those dampers to get more warm air going upstairs or downstairs. Another tip is to make sure your vents aren't blocked by furniture or curtains. Simple but easily overlooked. Also, sealing any leaks in your ductwork can stop heat from sneaking out before it reaches the rooms that need it. Don't forget to keep your air filters clean because clogged filters restrict airflow and mess with temperature balance. Last but not least, using ceiling fans smartly can help push warm air down in winter or pull hot air up in summer, improving comfort without turning the thermostat up or down. One of the biggest mistakes when dealing with poor heat distribution upstairs and downstairs is ignoring duct leaks. These leaks waste energy and make your system work harder, so sealing them with mastic or metal tape is a must. Another common issue is setting the thermostat too high for the whole house instead of focusing on zones. This wastes energy and keeps some rooms too hot while others stay cold. Zoning systems or smart thermostats can fix that. Lastly, many people forget about blocked or closed vents upstairs or downstairs, which totally messes up airflow. Just make sure all vents are open and clear for proper heat flow. BigHomeProjects.com is all about hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to home heating fixes and renovations. Plus, if you are a contractor, it's a great spot to find new jobs and grow your client base without all the usual hassle.